Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Lauren Hardy, and I'm here to talk all things virtual investing. Today, we are going to talk about the secret list that no one has. But before we get into that, I've got to say, if you're interested in this information, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the button. And if you want to learn more about coaching, check out my website, thismomflips.com. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, because I pretty much post everything I do there, my handle is thismomflips. Today, I want to talk about a secret list that nobody has. And you're probably thinking that's impossible because there's so much competition and everybody's buying every list. But I realized the other day there is a list that nobody has, and I call it the follow-up cold list. Every lead that comes into my company, whether they are motivated or not motivated, total tire kicker, total waste of time, whatever, pretty much everybody gets an offer. If I can't get a hold of that person, so say we can't make an offer, or they say no to our offer and we followed up several times and we've determined that this lead is cold, I put them in a bucket and I call it follow-up cold. This bucket is like pretty massive at this point because I've been doing this for I don't know, 7 years that I've had the same exact database, and I've been putting my leads in that follow-up cold bucket. Anytime it's a cold lead, I've determined that I really can't do anything with this seller right now, they go there. Then what I do, anywhere from maybe every 2 months to every quarter, just depending on how busy we are, I do a round of follow-up cold marketing. So I hit that list in different ways. I will send them a round of text messages to follow up. I will throw a cold caller on it and put them in an auto dialer and have them work on that list for like a week. Or you could send them direct mail. You can send them letters, saying, hey, we talked a while ago, just wanted to follow up. Are you still interested in selling that home at 123 Main Street? This list is crazy good because it's anybody that at one point had in their head, yeah, maybe it might be interesting if I sold my home, or that interests me. I don't really love this home, or maybe there's something going on and they've thought about selling. And what really they need is just one life circumstance to happen to where they really don't want this home anymore. So you might catch them maybe when you first talk to them, everything's fine in their life and the house is there, and if they got full market price, they would sell it, but for now, if they don't get the price they want, they're not interested. But then here's what happens. Life happens, and you might get where maybe 6 months from now, you find out they lost their job, or there was a death in the family, or there's a health issue. And if you're regularly hitting that follow-up cold bucket, you are going to catch that person during that time where now they are truly a motivated seller. Nobody else has that list. That's the thing. This list, everybody in this list is pretty special because at one point they did think about selling that home. I love my follow-up cold list. I hit it. I don't hit it every month because we have so many lists that we're working on. And I do feel like maybe hitting them every month might get excessive if you're doing it in an outbound sort of way, like cold calling or texting. But hey, if you want to do it, go for it. I try to do it every 2 months. Or if you want to, you could do it like 4 times a year, every quarter. I've noticed that every time I do a round of follow-ups, I will get 1 to 2 deals out of it. So it is an amazing list to have. And it's not that hard to keep track of. If you guys have a CRM that you're working on, and if you don't, I want you to stop this video, push pause, and get one. But if you do, and you have a CRM, you just need to create a lead status that says follow-up cold. And anytime somebody says no to you several times, you've followed up, you've realized this is a cold lead, I can't do anything with them right now, you put them in that status. And this way too, you're following up with your leads in a very organized way, almost like a machine. It's easier to do it this way than to actually hand pick up the phone. I like to do it using an auto dialer or using a text messaging platform like Batch. Batch Lead Stacker has a text messaging platform, and you can upload it into the Batch Lead Stacker, and you can do your round of follow-ups like that. Anyway, I love the follow-up cold list. I think it's really awesome. Not a lot of people talk about it, but it is this is like ninja trick. You're welcome. I'm glad I was able to tell you guys that. And if you guys love this video and you guys like everything you're hearing, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll be posting some really cool, interesting news coming up. So follow me at This Mom Flips. And if you want to learn more about my coaching program, check out my website, thismomflips.com. And if you submit your information there, somebody will get back to you. All right, guys, thank you.